Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Ella Mike. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and those of you that keep tuning in, you're welcome. So guys, it's not as if I've not been actually filming for a long while. I've actually been away basically because I broke down easily for skin problem. So actually I'm here to share with you guys. I give you tips most of the time because I go through these problems as well, and I only want to share these tips with you guys and apply to it and stick to it, and you're gonna see difference. So guys, today is all about how to get rid of your acne, your hyperpigmentation, or you have skin problems like pimple, acne, and hyperpigmentation. I was really reacting really badly. I really had skin. Have you seen my previous videos, guys? I really had skin problem and I really broke down. And it wasn't really my taste, so guys. But now I'm ready to share with you guys what I've been, and I'm fully back, like fully back, updated this time. So I know I really missed out, and you know me, I'm your favorite gap tooth girl. So anything I'm gonna share on this platform for you guys, you can check what you need to do for your skin, and you will just be glowing like me. So guys, today's tip, you want to get rid of that acne? Okay, stick with me, don't go anywhere. And please, if you also want to see how I made my black soap, because I'll also be sharing with you guys how I made my black soap for this also written, you can also leave on the feedback. You can leave on the comment section that yes, you want me to show you guys how I made the black soap. But if you also want me to show you guys how I made my skin get lighter like this, you can also leave on the comment section. I will answer to any of them. Yes, please tell me, what did you do? I will always leave a tip for you guys. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to show you the tips I use, which will really help you. So guys, let's go straight down into the video. What kind of skin do you have? Do you have an oily skin or a dry skin, or both combinations? So you have to check yourself first before you go into this routine, okay? But it all serves for both purposes. But for me, I'm a very dry and sensitive skin, so I always need to moisturize my skin to keep my skin hydrated. So if you're on the dry team, you are welcome to the club. But if you're on the oily skin, you just always keep moisturizing your skin as well and keep it hydrated, okay? So those that are dry like me, you're welcome. Hello, you're welcome. So guys, let's get to the video of today. First of all, I'm going in using this cup. You can use any one you want to use, but I'm using this to put everything I'm going to mix inside. But first of all, before you go into mixing and rubbing and everything, always wash your hands, guys. Wash your hands before you start any routine, because your hand also contains bacteria, and bacteria are the ones that causes those acne to keep increasing on your face, which you don't know. So right now my face is clear, like my face, I don't have any makeup on my face like this, so I'm just clear, no makeup on my face. So always wash your hands before you try anything on your face, and follow instruction as always. I'm the kind of person that when I see instruction, I don't follow. I just apply on my skin, but it always leads to something if you don't follow instruction. You have to adhere to instructions, guys. So first, we are going into turning some honey inside here. So guys, I'm using an empty cup, but I'm going to turn some oil, honey. This is my honey. I'm going to be putting some honey inside. So this is the honey, just a little bit, because I'm just showing you guys the routine I do most times for my acne, to get rid of this acne. Basically, you can, if you want to do in a large quantity, it's not good. You just have to do it morning and night, basically on how you want to get rid of it, okay? So now after putting your honey, you go in with your aloe vera. So guys, I've been using this aloe vera. They have two types, but this is the one. So I'm going to leave everything for you guys in the description box. You can check it out and check the one you want. So I'm going in. So I put some honey inside. So apparently, guys, so I've already washed my hands before I started this video. My hands are really clean. So I put some aloe vera inside as well. And last, we are going in putting some coconut oil as well. You always must put coconut oil into this as well. So guys, this is the coconut oil I'm using, and I've been using this coconut oil for long, and it's really good. I use it naturally on my skin, and I also use it for any mixture I use. I really love this smell, guys. You can even put it on your lips, guys. It's really nice. It moisturizes my lips and everything. I really like these, guys. So I will leave for you where you can get yours if you want to. And I'm going to be mixing this now, guys. I'm going to be mixing. You have to wash your hands. Wash your hands properly, okay? Don't do anything else. I'm mixing. I'm going to apply my face. Basically, I've added all the ingredients inside, so I'm just going to apply around my face everywhere I want it, and leave for 5 to 15 minutes, guys. So I'm leaving for 5 to 15 minutes. So if you want to apply around your neck, you can go like this, guys. You can put it in your neck as well, so it will not be your neck, so your face is also the same. So you must always go together. So you apply everywhere, guys, and leave for 5 to 10 minutes, or leave for 5 to 15 minutes, okay? So I'm going in. So after leaving for 5 to 15 minutes, guys, then you have to wash up, okay? You have to wash up your face. So I'm going to go wash up, guys, and I'll be back in the next 5 minutes, okay? I've finished washing up my face. I'm gonna go in with my towel, guys. Always use a clean towel to clean your face all the time. Don't go in with a dirty towel, okay? So use a clean towel, and this was given to me from my aunt. She's really special to me, and I'm going to clean my face with it because I miss her so much. So guys, after patting your face with the dry wipes, guys, after tapping with the dry wipes, you go in with your cleanser. Especially those places you have the acne, tap on them mostly. And guys, clean every spot, clean everywhere, clean. Then also go to your neck as well, clean as well. You can see it's really still dirty, and you can see that the dirt from the wash is still there. So to show you that there's still dirt, there's still bacteria on your face, so you still have to clean. So guys, after using this, you can go in with a toner if you want. So I'm going to be using Taste toner for my skin. I've actually used different toners, but I've seen that Taste is really nice for my skin. So guys, I'll be using Taste for my skin. Using this toner as well, and you cleanse your skin. So you go in using this serum. I've been using this for the past few. I've been using for the past 5 or 6 years now. Let's call it that. Or for past, I've been using for the past 3 years now. This is the best serum ever. After I've tried so many serums, I think this is the best so far. And I'm recommending it to every one of you who is watching my video. Go and start using this, and start using this routine. You're gonna enjoy it. And lastly, we're also going with a moisturizer, guys. You know, I've always said you guys, you don't want to look like forces in this. So I want to say, go in with a moisturizer that suits you. You can go in with like you can use any moisturizer you want that you can last for you for like a longer time if you don't want to use the one I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys Nivea, this. Yeah, I'm going to leave everything for you guys in the description box. Nivea, this is for dry skin as well. You guys can see it. It's for dry skin. But lastly, before we go, guys, so guys, I didn't show how I made this black soap. I've been using this black soap as well for my skin as well. But if you want me to show you guys how I made my black soap, you can comment on the comments. You can comment on the comment section, and I will show you guys how I made this black soap. Really nice, and it's been helping my skin ever since I made it. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time, next video. So your favorite girl, Ella Mike, and I'll see you next time.